Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found yourself with a cracked screen, you're not alone. This is a common issue, often caused by drops or pressure applied to the laptop. If left unrepaired, you might experience further damage, such as display malfunction or complete screen failure, making your device unusable. To tackle this repair, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen compatible with the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. Now, let's get started on the repair. First, ensure the laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. Begin by gently prying open the back panel using the plastic opening tool. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the display connector. This is usually found near the hinge area, secured with a couple of screws. Carefully remove the screws and disconnect the cable by lifting the connector straight up. At this point, you'll want to check for any additional screws securing the cracked screen in place. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. After that, gently lift the screen off its hinges, taking care not to pull any cables attached to the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement screen and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the display cable, ensuring it's firmly attached. After everything is in place, carefully replace the back panel of the laptop, pressing down until it clicks securely. Finally, power on your device to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider using a protective case or laptop sleeve to shield against accidental drops. Always handle your device with care, especially in busy environments. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.